Okay, so you're gonna, there's a few things I'm gonna explain. So I have the speaker on so you can hear me. Hopefully, it'll turn out okay. So I'm just gonna go to this one and use this as the example. So you come over here under listings, all listings, you get this list. Come over here, edit. And there we go. Okay, so don't touch that. This always needs to be like this. One thing we are going to have to change in all the listings is this expired date, which they have, and they're all set for 3 months from now. So you need to go in and just, it's super easy, pick a year, the date, doesn't matter, apply. So you have to do that during 3 months. They won't show up in your line because that date needs to be adjusted. Okay, so here's where your description goes. Pretty obvious. Tagline, whatever you want to put, you can change. These were the ones from Shannon, so you can change them. Bedroom descriptions, just a basic text box, not very complicated. Okay, the rate table. Now, all this text was done by Shannon. The tables are all in the site. If you want to pull up a table, you come over here, go to here, and here's all tables. So you can run a search, I can go Ventana, and do. Let's say I want to put that one. I just go click, and the table is in there. That's all you have to do. I'm going to take it out because that's the wrong table. This listing. And so that's all you do. You just put it in like that, and they show up on the front end correctly. Okay, so there's some stuff that there's double entry. Like, why are there two of these? Because one is for the search, and one is for how it appears in the listing. So you must do both. So they're just two different places that this is getting used, and they must be identical. This is your available for. These all need to be filled out. This did not come over, so you'll have to, these are the options. This is where your holiday availability is, your event friendly, New Year's on Thanksgiving open. So you can pick as many of them as you need to pick. I'm going to take that out. This one I actually did based on Shannon's actual site. And it's just another way to search for some things, and it's how you're going to manage your holiday availability. Okay. So then you're going to state, self-evident, area. Again, they'll all pop up. You can pick your areas. Shannon had done upper and lower mapas, so that's something that's slightly different. This one, which is I don't think I have. Yeah, this one is just a mapa, so just use it as you need to. Okay, all of these I already set up, and I need to, if you add a villa and you don't see the option that you need here, you need to tell me and I'll add, because it's added in a different place, because this is based on all them that are already in there. This is just appears on the front page to tell the people just as information. But then for search, you have to come in here and click the number of bedrooms so that it's searched by this number of bedrooms. Baths, it's not searched by baths. So baths just, yeah, we didn't do half baths. Pick your included services. If there are some that you need to add, another line like this, you need to tell me what it is, and I will add it, and it'll appear here on the list. Price range, this is again for the appearance. This is what it says on the front end to tell people what we went from the lowest amount per night. But then all the rates from the rate table have to be put in so that it's searchable by every type of rate. So this is for search, and this is for humans looking at the numbers. The pools, we have 4 options. Again, if you have something else you want to add to that, tell me, and I can add it to the list so that it comes up in the drop down. Again, one is for search, one is for appearance, the villa experience, they both have to be identical. The lists are the same, but you have to enter it twice. These are the amenities, or what we're calling tags. This is where I would add gated community. They are searchable on the front end. If you click on elevator, it'll give you all the units that have elevators. So you could still pull a list of all the gated communities, which I don't think you're going to have a lot of them. So this is where I would put that. Again, if you want different things on here, you need to give me the master list. I need to enter it. Just remember that if you materially change, you can add some things to it, but you cannot change what's here, or you have to go into every listing and change again. The map for everything that's in there is set. I'll do a different video on how to set the map. Then you go cover image. That's the one that's going to appear in the little, on the searches when, the little photos pop up. That'll be these. The main photo on the listing will always be this first photo. So make sure you put your gallery images in the right order you want them. And then after that, if there's a video, we put the URL to YouTube here. I don't think you have any videos for any of the units. We come back up here, and you need a featured image here so that when I go to share it online, this one is what pops up. And then update. So it's pretty easy, but the issue is that we have to get everything settled. The core of how it's going to operate has to be settled first.